back to my channel. My name is Angela. Today's video is a nursery tour and I can't wait to show you the nursery. It's been in the works, you know, me filming the video and sharing all the beautiful things we put in the room. So without further ado, let's just roll this tape. So guys, I wanted to film this before homegirl arrived, but she decided to arrive early. So we're going to be filming this nursery tour with a special guest. Let me introduce you to Miss Camilla Hallman. This is my little baby girl. She finally came. She's like, what, 6 days old? And she's the best thing that's ever happened to us. Clearly loves to sleep, but yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that we're going to film the tour with this girl here. Not what we had planned for, but who is complaining? I know I'm not. Oh, let's start off with this area. This is the changing area. We have a baby Moses changing basket, and I specifically wanted to get a basket just because I feel like everyone gets those wooden pads that match the dresser, and I didn't want to do something like that, so that's why I got this, and I'm totally obsessed with straw baskets. So yeah, I really love it. I like that this basket is one of those that she can grow into. You know, you can use it for a newborn, you can use it for a child up to the age of, I believe, 3, just because it has so much width space and it's so long. So love this. Got the baby Moses changing basket on Etsy, and I'll link the shop down below in the description so you guys can check them out. They have really amazing stuff. They also have an Instagram account and an Instagram shop, so I will link all that down below for you guys to check out their items. So here we have the diaper caddy where we have everything we need when we're changing her. So we have diapers, we have a burping cloth, we have wipes, we have diaper rash cream, nipple rash cream, all kinds of goodies that we need when we're changing her. I also have a onesie in here just for quick access in case I need to change her outfit when I'm changing her diaper. So I have one in there. And then this guy over here is a wipe warmer. You basically just put your wipes in and it just warms them up. So when you're wiping baby, you know, the wipes are not too cold. So I got that. So over here we have some of her clothes on display. Most of them are summer and spring dresses. And then also some of her hair accessories. So you guys can see bonnets, like little hair hats, her bows, and then we have a pacifier holder, and then we also have this thing where we store all her pacifiers in. I wanted to have a statement wall in the nursery, and that's why I decided to hang some of her clothes and her accessories here, just so, you know, they add color to the nursery. In the dresser, we have all her clothes arranged by age, so all these are 0 to 3 months. I have all her onesies here, and then there's trousers and some long johns for the winter time, and then here we have some dresses and then extra onesies as well. And then the second drawer, we have all these are 3 to 12 months. Yeah, 3 to 12 months. And then I have all her socks in here, all her mittens in here. And I have wipes everywhere just because it's easy to have them within reach. So I have some of the wipes here stored. And then at the bottom, we do have extra wipes. I have all her sweaters in there. And then I also have her butt clothes. I have all her panties in here, and then some of her hats are in here as well. In the straw baskets, we have all her diapers. As you can see, we have all the diaper pail accessories, all the diaper pail bags in here. And then the same thing at the bottom, we have extra diapers, diaper pail stuff just stashed away in these straw baskets. Over here we have the diaper pail, which is right next to the changing table and the diaper caddy, so it just makes it easy to just trash all her dirty diapers right there. So we have some cute wall art here that I got from Amazon, and then I don't know if you guys remember from our first apartment tour video that I did, We had this ladder in the kitchen and we used it to put like a lot of canisters on it. When we moved here, I didn't know what to do with this ladder and I knew I didn't want to get rid of it. So I decided to have it in the nursery, and it's perfect because it can hold a lot of things. It has her books, some of her shoes, all these are her bathing stuff, all her body wash, her lotions, all that good stuff. It's all in here. And in this storage basket, I have more hair accessories. So all her bows go in here, a lot of them. And then in here we have, I have all her stockings for the winter time. So that's that. And then this is a changing mat, and this goes in her diaper bag. So I will be moving this from here and just put it in the diaper bag so we don't have to forget about it. But that's that. And then over here we have extra clothes for her, and I have them color coordinated. As you can see, most of these are winter clothes. So most of these are on the right hand side are winter clothes, and some of them are a little bit on the lighter side. They're not too heavy. But yeah, I liked displaying them here as well so that they can add character, and also for storage reasons since the dresser is not as big. So that's that. And then here at the bottom we have a basket for her that she got from her grandma. Joey's mom gave this to her, and it has the initial of her name. We use this to put all her clean laundry, so every time we do her laundry we put it in here. And then there's also a straw basket in here, if you guys can see that, and we just have extra wipes in here, so good for storage. And then this is just a bunny thingy that I put her in every time I give her a bath. It keeps her warm because she does not like the cold, so I just have that here. Over here is her crib. As you can see, I wanted to go with a more traditional and vintage looking like crib just because, I don't know, it just reminds me of my childhood. I had a crib similar to this, and I also like this color because it's gender neutral, so you know, if we have a boy the next time around they can always use it as well. I am not a huge fan of the white cribs that you guys see all the time. I don't know, I just feel like wooden cribs that are white are just old-fashioned and outdated. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah, this is her crib, and this is some blankets that we just have hanging here. Inside the crib we have a lounger that we use around the house. This is super helpful, especially when we do not want to bring her downstairs. We can have her upstairs. We just put her in here and it is golden. So over here is the rocking chair that I sit in every time I'm nursing her and every time I'm rocking her to sleep. Got this from Snuggle Me, and I love this nursing pillow. It is amazing. I use it for pretty much anything that has to do with her when I'm rocking her to sleep and I just need to support her when I'm holding her. This pillow is gold. So I always leave that here. I got the rocking chair from Wayfair, and I forgot to mention I got the crib from Wayfair as well. And then this ottoman here, I got this from Wayfair as well. So I just use this to support my feet. I got the rug from Wayfair. Over here we have a hamper for all her clothes, so I just leave that right here. I went back and forth between putting a hamper in her room and not putting it in, but once I looked at this hamper, I knew immediately that I needed to put it in the room just because it's a pretty accent, so that's why I added it in. Then we have a lamp over here. Sometimes I use this lamp when I'm feeding her at night, or sometimes I just dim the lights in the room. So it just really depends on how I'm feeling, but yeah, I like this. And there's extra wall art over here, as you can see. And this basket was actually a bridal shower gift. I got it from Crate and Barrel. So that's that. And then over here, of course, the room had to have some pampas grass. I mean, I am like crazy about pampas grass, so I had to add that. I got this pot from Etsy, And I got the pampas grass from Amazon, which is amazing. I actually prefer this pampas grass from the one I have upstairs in the living room, just because it's fluffier and it just kind of comes out more and spreads out compared to the one I have upstairs. But yeah, it's a cute accent. It had to be added to the room. That is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop some comments, drop some likes, just show any kind of engagement. You can dislike the video, that's still engagement. I appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.